E don red oh, Bobrisky and Mofa relationship don finally cast your own, e don expose oh. My correct people dem Bobrisky don cast you. Finally, the person wey dey bankroll am don expose oh. They say na Mofa. No be small thing oh. Fowl wey say mama no go sleep, even that fowl woman no go follow sleep. Bobrisky wey buy Tonto Dike mattress oh. Now your own mattress ma don jack up. Say wetin? Say you dey sleep with Monfa wey be married man. September come and be going oh. Hey, this is indeed a September to remember. E be like say e don long past 31 days, abi 30 days. My correct people na oya see as it is shele na. At all, no go ever leave bad pass. My correct people, how it start? Ask me any question. Now new. Nine put to say me they ask many questions. No, 9 people come they ask many questions about Bobrisky. This they ask me any question. I don't know whether na people they ask true. I mean, and them themselves they carry their hand, they type the question because this one pass the power. All right, now they come answer and say, is Bob fine or it's makeup? Now you can say it's makeup. He's having beard and his beard is full of pimples. So even if we shave it, he have to put a lot of foundation to hide it. He is a man, a real man. He's even bald. That is why he always wear his wig starting from his front head, so that people will not notice that he's not having hair. Now, wow. All right, so another person gonna say, is Bob a neat gay? Now he can reply say he always sleep with makeup on his face till morning. So just imagine. Now they can say ask and say, does Bob have a D? Now can say he stands and pee, so having a D for sure. I never see him bending down to pee. He's always standing to pee. All right. So now Onyeka say one thing I can never forget about he or she is that he can lie on people 100%. The cousin also say, do Bob have a girlfriend? He can say he have a boyfriend. His boyfriend come one day at hotel room when we're in Radisson Blue. He asked me to go to the reception that he have to receive a friend. So I left the room at 7:00 in the night. He called me to come a sleep back at 11:50. When I know say na Ivory Coast, so na her English, no be me. Almost midnight, I was red to pee, so I went to the toilet. I saw Gondo full of me. I was so curious because I couldn't imagine that one man effed his assy. He told it's for Tosi, his friend, but that same Tosi didn't sleep at the Radisson Blue Hotel that night. So how come? Alright, so the cousin ask and say, is Bob hot-tempered? He can say he laugh a lot, but when he gets angry, he looks like a demon in another man's body. You think what you see on Instagram is the same as when we are at home? Have you heard Bob real voice before? You can say yes. The day he fights with his male friend, the guy is his best friend. They school together, but the guy is having 2 kids. Bob loves his friend. He even bought him iPhone. But the guy loves girls. He's not attracted to boys. He told me Bob wants them to be dating several times, but he refused because he's not attracted to men. This one another table don scatter so. Ooh, I love it. So they come ask again, say, has Bob gossip about Tonto to you? Why they were friends? He can say he gossip about everybody when he is mad at someone. He said one day Tonto was drunk and she peed on the bed. Wahala wear cover shoe. Hey! September. Now you are the blame, oh. So they don't say, I said, does Bob really owe people? And she said, every clothes he wear is for brand. He wear them, take pictures and give them back after washing it. Wahalja. So another person can say, why can't you get over Bob? Then she said, I'm over him already. I'm just answering questions. If it's paining you, just log out. Then the one will come break camel back. Now when they come ask and say, is it true Bob is effing Monfa? Then he can say they were dating before it came from his own mouth. They were dating 100%. Wahala na here na camel back on break. Wahala con shell everywhere. The next one can see na voiceover of Monfa and Bobo is a risky they abuse themselves for inbox I say it be like say time don't reach way but risky bank account go close because many people they talk say na Monfa the bank roll am all those kind level. No be small thing, no. Alright, someone for say rubbish and fake news. I don't need came, you will hear from me soon. No be small thing. Alright, more listen to the voiceover first.
So is this how you treat people that you are close to? They'll tell you something and you will just believe, and you will come to my DM and be sending me all these rubbish messages. Do I care to see them? I'm lost. Blessing. I left you alone. Also the same thing right now. What the fuck is going on? What's going on?
Bob, don't you tell me what the fuck is going on. I'm a married man, for Christ's sake. Now only 2 times I don't see you for my life. Your house, which me and Cam Money come, and your birthday time. Someone wrote nonsense and you're asking me to keep quiet. You forget I'll be married man? What the fuck is this? Are they send you something for you to debunk the news? What nonsense is this? You think saying a good news? You think saying a good?
Alright, so name of I can't follow tackle Onyi can say, what kind of rubbish statement you made that I'm dating Bob? Be ready, I'm gonna sue you in your country for defamation of character. What nonsense is this? Can screenshot the talkie and the gossip from Gossip Mill, send give Onyi. Now he can reply and say, when I was there leaving him, he always talk about it to his friends on the phone. It's not my fault, but his fault for talking anyhow about things that is not real. Which kind is not real? You expect them to come talk say it's real before? Story for the gods. Many people know even before now, they don't talk and say the major backbone behind Bobrisky finances now Monfa. Many people don't talk am. Drop mic self before you even talk am. Alright, so my correct everyone, so we'll continue. Now I can say, but his fault for talking anyhow about things that is not true. He likes to show himself everywhere, talking people and lying small talk. He will start saying, oh yes, yesterday Monfa called me this and that, I cook for him. Then Monfa can say, better you should go and debunk that news. It's not and won't be funny with you. Then she can say, it's not my fault, I don't know you. Then Monfa can say, have you ever seen me before or call Bob? Then she can say, yes sir, I'm sorry, but he always call you. Then Monfa can say, see, I'm a married man and I don't do gays. Better you should message Gossip Mill. If not, I'm gonna sue you. Now she can say, I was his PA. We were always together, even in the bedroom. I respect you and I know you can do such because you love your family so much, but be careful with who you make friends. 9 months for come out and say, me will like big nyash, real women, pass anything, God forbid bad thing. So many things we God go forbid, they follow. They break it everywhere. Oh. But one day, you get air we go blow. Where we say foul nyash go finally open, where we say even foul self, no go even fit deny again. Talk, come and no dey waste time again. Oh, my correct people, them no dey waste time again. Everybody wey dey trouble my Tonto Dike, e just dey get am hot. No be small thing. Bobrisky don get im own karma, fully served. Rosie, na so too, she don get her own. Her Instagram account they don disable am. Whether they don bring am come back, na that one I no know. But anybody wey dey trouble Tonto Dike, dey get am hot. You go dey buy person market, your own market don come now, face am. Alright, my correct people, and thank you so much for watching. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.